Hello, welcome to another AQA A-level Physics multi-choice question. If you want to attempt this question yourself, pause the video now. If you got the answer B, well done. If you didn't and want to hear my explanation, please continue watching. A small object of mass m and charge q. The object remains stationary in an evacuated space between two horizontal plates. The plates are separated by a distance d, and the potential difference between the plates is V. So the reason that object is remaining stationary is because there's its weight pulling it downwards, and there's an electrostatic force pulling it upwards, and that electrostatic force must be equal to the weight. So how are we going to find a value for the electrostatic force? Well, the electrostatic force is equal to the field strength multiplied by the charge of the object, which in this case we're given as capital Q. The electric field strength in a uniform field is equal to the potential difference between the plates divided by the separation of the plates. So I can substitute V over D for E into this equation, and I can discover that the electrostatic force is equal to V over D multiplied by Q, and as I said before, that must be equal to the weight of the object. We're trying to find the potential difference, so the potential difference is going to be equal to dmg all over Q. Answer B. I hope that was useful. I hope you enjoyed my explanation. Please subscribe, please like, and please share this video. Thank you for watching.